teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Now I'm going to teach you how to play I Left My Heart in San Francisco. Okay, this song sang by Frank Sinatra and also Westlife. Okay, they sing it. This is very slow song, but okay. Ready? Left hand was the one that has box here on the top. And the right hand, that means the left hand is F, F, A flat, G. Okay, I forgot to box the D. This one is D, then G, C, G, D, G, C. Okay, I'll box the G. Add the D part here. Okay, ready? And the right hand part was the note that has also a letter. So it's easier for us to play this piece. Okay, ready? Every time there's note aligned, that means left hand and right hand should play together. Okay, play it with both hands. But this one only left hand because this one is just a whole note. You're not going to repeat the C again here. It's a tie note. Okay, ready? Right hand first. A, B flat, C. Again. A, B flat, D. Left hand. C. Another F. D, F. And here, left hand G. D, G. D, G, G, F sharp, G, D, C, G, F, E, D, A, left hand F, another left hand F. A, B flat, left hand F. C, B flat, A, B flat, C, F, E. D together. D, D, C, D, C. Then D, D sharp, D. Okay, second page. F, left hand G. G, E, G, C. And then there's F sharp there. I'm going to box it later. D, C, B flat, B flat, A, B flat, D, C. Another F here. D, E, F, D, G, D, G, D, G, G, F sharp, G. E higher, left hand C. E, another left hand C. D, left hand B flat. F, G, A, the same A, another A, G sharp A, then B flat with the D, left hand, B flat A, F sharp, G A, G D, G D, left hand G, D, C sharp D, B flat higher, left hand G, B flat A, D, A, left hand C, A, then same F. Yeah, okay, that's a very easy arrangement of I Left My Heart in San Francisco. Okay, I'm going to play it. Ah, this is a very slow. This is a very slow song, but I'm going to play it a little faster version. Little fast only. A B A. Okay, second page. 2, 3, 4, 1.